Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We were doing the sums on the index numbers, so few more numericals I would like to discuss with you all. So let's start the class. The second problem is that calculate the index number by simple average or price relative method and by simple aggregative method. Already we have done one sum and which I have uploaded in the previous video. So those who haven't gone through that video on index number, please go through it. Okay, how you are going to solve this? The commodity is given A, B, C, D, E. Price in 2014 is given 16, 40, 35, 5.25 and 2. And price in 2015 is given as 20, 60, 50, 6.25 and 1.5. Now, how you are going to calculate? So, here also we have to find out the two, that is a simple average or price relative method and simple aggregative method. Two methods we have to find out. So in the first method, that is a simple aggregative or price relative method, how you are going to calculate it? Summation I by n. Now how you are going to calculate this I? I means P1 by P0 into 100. What is P1? P1 is the current year and P0 is the base year. So here the current year is 2015 and the base year is 2014. Now, as in the formula, it is given what? P1 by P0 into 100. So that means P1 by P0 into 100. P1 is what? 20 by 16 into 100, 125. In a similar way, 60 by 40 into 100, 150. In this way, we will calculate and we are going to find out the summation I. Now, what is the summation? Summation means we have to add up all the column. And by adding up all the column, how much we are getting? 611.995. Okay. Now, what is the formula? Summation I by n. What is n? N means here the number of the items. Here the number of items is what? 5. So that means 611.95 by 5. So if we calculate it, what you are getting? 122.39. Next, we will calculate the simple aggregative method. What is the simple aggregative method? That is summation P1 by summation P0 into 100. So what is summation P1 here? Summation P1 means we have to add up this column. Summation P0 means we have to add up this column. Okay, so summation P1 is what? 137.75 by 98.25 into 100. That is, we are getting 140.20. So in this way, we are calculating the simple aggregative method. Okay, the third question, let us come. Calculate the weighted average of price index, relative index for 2016 on the basis of 2012 from the following data. That means 2012 is the base year and 2016 is the current year. So base year always we are taking as P0 and the current year we are taking as P1. And here the weight is given. Here the weight is given. So how you are going to calculate it? See, your commodities A, B, C is given. Weight is also given. See, weight is also given. Price of 2012 is also given. Price of 2016 is also given. So how you are going to calculate it? Okay, summation IW by summation W. Summation I, same way we will find out what? P1 by P0 into 100. In the same way we have to do the calculation. That means 20 by 15 into 100 we are getting as 133.33. In this way we will calculate all the, is 12 by 10 into 100, 8 by 5 into 100, that is we are getting 160, 13 by 10 into 100 we are getting as 130, 5 by 4 into 100 we are getting as 125. Now I into W, that means this column multiplied by this column, that means 10 into 133.33 we are getting as 1333. Then again 8 into 120 we are getting as 960. 6 into 160, 960. 6 into 130, 780. 4 into 125, it is 500. So we are going to add up this column, that is summation IW equal to 4533. If we calculate it, we are getting as 4533. What is the formula? P01, that is index. This index number, how you are going to calculate? Summation IW by summation W. What is the question? Question, we have to find out the weighted average of price relative index. This is the formula. So summation IW is what? 4533 by 34. That means we are getting as 133.3. Okay, next we come to the next question. That is, calculate the index number for the period year 2008 2015, taking 2008 as the base year. So here the number of years are given from 2008 to 2015, and prices are also given, that is 75, 50, 65, 60, 72, 90, 75, 70. So how you are going to calculate it? What we have to calculate? We have to calculate the price index for the period year 2008 to 2015, and we have to take 2008 as the base year. Okay, so how you are going to calculate this index number? See, 75 by 75 into 100, that is equal to what? 100. Then 2009, 50 by 75 into 100, that is equal to 66.7. We are taking 2008 as the base year. Next, 2010 is what? 65 by 75 into 100, that is 86.65. 60 by 75 into 100, that is equal to 80.5. Why we are taking 75? Because we are calculating the index number and taking 2008 as a base year. So 2008 price is what? 75. So 60 by 75 into 180, 72 by 75 into 100, that is 96.0. Again, 90 by 75 into 100 is 120. 75 by 75 into 100, that is 100. 70 by 75 into 100, that is 933.33. So this is we are calculating the index number for the period year of 2008 to 2015, taking 2008 as the base year. Okay. The next question we are going to discuss in this is the last question we are going to discuss in the today's class, that is, calculate the weighted aggregative price index number from the following data using the paasche method. So here the commodity is given, base year price and quantity is given, current year price and quantity is given. Now how you are going to calculate? First we have to know the formula of the paasche price index number. That is what? Summation P1 Q1 by summation P0 Q1 into 100. That means what is P1? P1 is the price of the current year, Q1 is the quantity of the current year. And P0 is the what? Price of the base year, and Q0 is the quantity of the base year. Okay, so P0 Q1, what is P0? See, P0 Q1. That means 10 into 50, 500. P0 Q1 we have to calculate. Again, P0 Q1, that is 8 into 25, 200, 6 into 30, 180, 20 into 4, 80. And we have to calculate this column, that is summation P0 Q1, that is equal to 960. Okay, the next one, P1 Q1. What is P1 Q1? What is P1 Q1? P1 Q1. That is 12 into 50, that is 600. 10 into 25, that is 250. 6 into 30, that is 180. 6 into 20, that is 120. So summation P1 Q1 equal to 1150. Okay. Now we will put on this formula, that is summation P1 Q1 is what? 1150 by summation P0 Q1 is what? 960 into 100. If we calculate it, what we are getting? 119.79. So this is how you are going to calculate this paasche price index number. With few more sums I would like to discuss with you in the next video. So those who haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it, and thanks for watching the video.